A very good morning, children. Today we will be doing the chapter Salvator. Chapter Salvator is written by W. Somerset Maugham. In this chapter, I will be telling you about the character sketch of Salvator and we'll summarize the chapter. Then I'll tell you all the word meanings according to page number like 6, 7, 8, and then we'll be doing all question answers regarding the chapter. So to begin with the chapter, I'll just tell you about the story in short, chapter at a glance. The story describes the events in life of a simple Italian fisherman, Salvator. He was a boy of 15. He had a pleasant face and he was a nursemaid to his two young brothers, and he spent most of his time on the beach and took care of his two young brothers. Slowly, gradually, when he grew, he got engaged to a pretty girl whom he loved madly, but couldn't marry her owing to his compulsory military services. He became a sailor in the navy. For that, he left his hometown. Then he found it hard living in cities and fell homesick and longed for his love. After much travel, he became ill with a disease called rheumatism. On his return back to his home, he went to the girl's house whom he loved, only to know that her fiancé's parents had made up their mind not to go ahead with the wedding. This was heartbreak for Salvator, but he did not blame the girl. Later, his mother told him about Asanta, who was willing to marry Salvator. Though at first he denied, but he got married to Asanta and settled down in a teeny house in the middle of vineyard. Later, he had two children, both boys. Salvator had to work hard to earn a living. His disease often took its toll on him. Never did he blame anyone for anything in his life. Salvator was a responsible husband as well as a very loving father. Salvator was a man who possessed nothing but an invaluable quality, the rarest, the most precious, and the loveliest that anyone can have, the quality of goodness. Now children, we start with the word meanings. Like see page number 6. In the first paragraph, underline the word effortless. Effortless means natural, a thing which is done naturally without putting any kind of effort or force. Then comes stroke. Underline the word stroke, a movement while swimming. You can write. Then the other meaning in the second paragraph, jagged. Rough rocks you can write, rough and pointed one. And then vineyard, V-I-N-E-Y-A-R-D. Vineyard, underline the word, just write, a land where grapes are grown. The next word is vineclad, V-I-N-E-C-L-A-D. That means covered with wine. Then the next word in the last paragraph of page number 6, beck, B-E-C-K. Beck means to give signal to someone. And then in page number 7 we move. You can see the word I-S-C-H-I-A. That is Ischia, as a name of an island. Mark it. Then comes Vesuvius. It's a volcano. Underline it and just write volcano. Then the word ceased, C-E-A-S-E-D, that means stopped. Then dreadfully, that is very badly. Passionate, strong feeling or belief. Mysterious, strange. Ailment is illness. Mute, silent. And before that, there's a word spazia, Spezzia. Spezia means a port. It's a city in Italy. Then the disease rheumatism, in which all the joints become stiff and it is very difficult for a person to move. Then the word scarcely, that is hardly. Then jetty, jetty, a platform built into the sea, that is built out into the sea, you can write. Then placid means calm. Now turn the page and see page number 8. Nurtured, Nudged. Nurtured means to push gently. Then blunt means very direct. Blunt, directness means very direct. You can underline the word and just write. Then consent, that is permission. Strength and endurance, mark it in the second paragraph, page number 8. Strength and endurance, that is ability to continue doing the same, which is very painful, doing something which is very painful. Then comes page number 9. Ragged, Rgged. Ragged means old or torn. Ingenious means innocent. Husky fellow, that is strong one. Grim-visaged, very serious. Masculine, strong built body. Then comes dusk, that is evening time. Now see page number 10. Stoicism, that means without complaining. Radiance, Radiance. Radiance means shining with something, warm light shining with something. Bearable means tolerable. So I think all the words we have covered. Yes, children, as I told you that we will discuss the question answers. Like first question comes about the character sketch of Assunta, whom Salvatore married. Now for this question, it can be of 6 marks, it can be of 8 marks. Like you need to write that Assunta was the woman who was able to see the goodness in Salvatore, and she appreciated his gentle kindness. She was 25 years old and married to a military man who was killed in Africa while doing his military services. She was very generous to Salvatore, and she understood her husband, and she knew the shortcomings, and she truly loved him. Although she knew that he was suffering from the disease, but she never blamed him for anything, and she knew that he was very sincere and trustworthy. She had little money. She wanted to buy a boat for him, the money which she saved. She could never forgive someone who had once hurt her gentle and soft-hearted husband. She was a loving wife, devoted to husband, and they had 2 children. Assunta not only paid no heed to his medical condition, but also tried to always understand him. The quality of goodness, it was not only Salvatore, but Assunta also deserves. All these points you can write in her character sketch, and you can illustrate your answer. And the question which is often asked is about Salvatore's story that brings out the goodness of a man. Now in this you can write, the story recounts the life of Salvatore, a thin, shy 15-year-old boy. He had a pleasant face, a laughing mouth, and a carefree eyes. He was son of a fisherman. He spent most of his time on the beach or swimming, and he always took care of his two young brothers. And then he deeply fell in love with a pretty girl, and he could not marry her as he was appointed for a job in military service. I hope, children, the chapter is clear to you. And as we are under lockdown, so such kind of videos which like this is first video of mine I have tried, may help you in learning about the chapter. And for any other query, you can call me, and then soon we'll meet with the next video, maybe regarding the poetry. Thanks.